Hello and welcome, guys. This is what we are going to create today without any effort to manually paint this texture. Alright, so we will let the AI do this work. So let's begin. Let's generate a texture for our monkey head. Shift A, create a monkey. And this monkey comes with the UV mapping already. Okay, so I'll export this file, export wavefront obj. Okay, click on it and I will enter the name monkey. To be on a safer side, I'll click on selected only. Let me check if it is selected. Yes, and I will uncheck export materials. All right, and UV coordinates and normals, it's fine. All right, so click on export obj. Okay, great. So now I will go to the website. All right, here I am with this website, leonardo.ai. Click on this texture generation, and this is where it is asking me to upload a new object. Okay, so I'll click on upload new object, and here is asking me to upload .obj file. All right, so maximum is 20 MB. So I can drag and drop, or I can just click and browse. I'll click to browse the model. All right, so here I am. Select and open it, and wow, as you can see, this is the monkey head, and I will give a name to this project. At the moment I cannot. First I have to give a name. I'll give a name monkey head. Okay, I'll click on the start texturing. Okay, fine. And now I can give a prompt. Make a note first. So to generate a preview, it will generate a preview only for the front face, and it will charge me 5 tokens. Okay, to generate the full texture, I have to give 30 tokens. Great. So I will enter the prompt, cyberpunk monkey head. Okay, and now I will generate a preview. I'll click on it and I will wait for it to generate the preview. Then I'll come back. Oh wow, look at this. This AI has done a pretty good job. Okay, so now I'll try to generate the full texture, and let's see how this AI will texture this remaining head. So I'll click on it. It will cost me total 30. Oh no. Okay, I'll click on it. It will take at least 5 minutes. However, it could be longer if the queue is busy. Feel free to leave and return to this project to see the results. Okay. So here it shows that it is in progress. So I will wait for it and then I will come back. Okay, so this is complete. Let's take a look. All right, so this is a beta version, and what is this? Okay, so the front is pretty good. Yeah, identifying the eyes, nose, and the mouth. Okay, giving some detail for the inner part of the ear, and looks like a beta model in beta form. But yeah, I can see there's some kind of a metallic shine is going on. Okay, so can I download the texture map? Let's click on the assets, and here we have all of the maps. Now I will click to download all assets. Click on it and I'll click on save. Now I will apply this in Blender. Alright, so now I will go to the shading view and I will click on a new material. Okay, I'll click on the principled BSDF and I will press Ctrl Shift T, and I will browse to the folder and I will select all of these. Right, and then I will click on this principled texture set, and it will create automatically everything. Yeah, this is with the help of the Node Wrangler add-on. Okay, this is what we generated in the AI. This is a start. I'm sure this is gonna get better. Okay, so they have done a pretty good job over here. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.